I know how it feels to wake up tired, already worried about your blood sugar before your feet even touch the floor. That heavy head, that shaky feeling before lunch, and the quiet fear that whatever you try next will just be another disappointment. If you clicked on this video, chances are you're not looking for hype. You just want something that actually works. Look, the truth is simple. GlycoMute can help, but only if you take it the right way. Most people never get the full results because nobody explains this part clearly. They swallow a pill here and there, skip days, stop too early, and then say it didn't work. That's not how this formula was designed. GlycoMute works by supporting how your body handles sugar all day long, not just for 1 hour. Ingredients like banaba, bitter melon, gemnema, and guggul resin help your cells respond better to insulin and slow how fast sugar hits your bloodstream. But your body needs consistency. The recommended way is 2 capsules per day, every day, preferably 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening with water, not just when you remember, every day. That's how people start noticing steadier numbers, fewer energy crashes, and less of that foggy feeling. Now here's the part most people miss. Results don't fully show in a week or 2. Blood sugar balance is slow. Your body needs time to adjust. That's why the people who see the best changes are usually the ones who take it for at least 90 days. And yes, when I saw the price for the bigger packages, I also thought it looked strange. So I did the boring work. I checked cost per bottle, guarantee, shipping, and what real customers were buying. Turns out about 96% of customers choose the 6-bottle option. Not because it looks fancy, but because it's the cheapest per bottle, comes with free shipping in the US, and includes the 2 digital bonus guides about sleep and brain health. The 3-bottle kit is the second most popular and still makes sense for a full 90-day routine. The 2-bottle option is okay, but many people end up reordering and paying more later. One very important warning before you do anything. There are fake websites copying the product name and design. Some of them sell old bottles, some take your card info, and some disappear after payment. I've put the only official and safe link right below this video. If you're on your phone, just tap the title of this video and the description box will slide up. You'll see the blue link right there at the top. I spent days reading real customer reviews and ingredient documents. One woman, Stephanie, said her blood sugar dropped from over 200 to around 130 in about a month, and she lost 6 pounds without changing her diet much. Another customer, William, said his numbers stabilized and his energy came back during the day. The formula is made in facilities that follow FDA and GMP manufacturing standards, which means controlled quality and safety practices, not some random backyard lab. Quick and honest note, because this matters. GlycoMute is a dietary supplement, not a prescription drug. It does not replace your doctor or your medication. If you have diabetes or take blood sugar medication, you should show the ingredients to your doctor before starting. That's just common sense and basic safety. What it does offer is natural support that many people use alongside their regular routine. And here's the safety net. Every order comes with a full 90-day money-back guarantee. You can even return empty bottles if you're not satisfied. That takes most of the risk off your shoulders. So if you want to check the current discounts, the official store link is in the description and also in the first pinned comment below this video. Protect your money, use the official store, and take it the right way so you can actually see what GlycoMute is capable of doing.